Every year, 60 billion square metres of fabric are wasted in fashion production, which is enough to cover Austria. ZERØTEC is a B2B SaaS platform for circular fashion design and manufacture. Our users save up to 15% more fabric with us, allowing for up to £1.70 and 2 kilos of carbon saved for every garment. So prior to support from Innovate UK, we were exploring how to solve the huge amount of fabric waste that we produce as manufacturers. We were doing this as a retail company at the time called Zero London. So when we found out that we were successful, I did quite a lot of silent screaming around the office and a lot of jumping. It was really encouraging to have our work validated and recognised by Innovate UK, that all that we'd been working on finally was really starting to come to fruition. So the project that Innovate UK funded allowed us to really scale and digitise a lot of analogue processes that we had developed to optimise material usage. It allowed for a B2B SaaS platform that we could then provide other users so that they could benefit from the innovations that we developed in-house. Since winning the funding, we've been able to introduce a new revenue stream. We've brought an extra 3 people onto the team, and we've been able to secure our first international clients. So now we are working with partners across the EU, North America and East Asia. So we've been fortunate to access the wider support network of the Creative Catalyst. We first attended a GBIP to Slush in Helsinki last year. A GBIP is a global business incubation program that allows for international market visits to explore potential elsewhere. There's been a real measurable impact in getting our first international clients at the start of the year and our first private investment. Since then, we have been to Canada to explore advanced manufacturing, to really understand the potential to apply our technology to other types of manufacturing, such as aviation and automotives. In addition to the Creative Catalyst support that we've received, we've also been able to take advantage of the amazing expertise that a lot of the Innovate growth specialists are able to provide. We've been working with our specialists now to identify routes to market, to identify other funding opportunities, and it's really added an extra person on the team with many more years of experience than I that we really are so much better for. Long term, I would really like ZERØTEC to be recognised as an industry leader in efficient technologies. We've already found success with leading high street retailers, helping them to achieve more circular manufacturing, save a lot of money and carbon in the process, and we're looking to replicate that with other industries. I'm very proud to be part of the UK creative sector. There are very few places in the world that can really offer the kind of support and encouragement that the UK does. For any businesses out there considering contacting Innovate UK for support, I would say do it now. There is an amazing wealth of knowledge, experience and support out there, and the sooner you take it, the sooner you can benefit, grow and scale.